What you're about to see is not just another AI talking head generator. In fact, this is not just a real creator. It's not just a video sales letter builder. What you're about to see is the first AI system that makes complete video funnels possible using one consistent AI character, or AI actor, I should say, throughout. Now, that means traffic videos, retargeting videos, and full long-form video sales letters that actually close, all structured using proven marketing frameworks built right in. Now, all created from a simple prompt, a URL, or a file. These long-form AI avatar VSLs are the key. I like to call them AI actors rather than avatars because they're so realistic. Now, you're about to see how this changes what's possible with AI video marketing. When we're done, you'll understand why this isn't just another AI tool. It's a whole system. Let's jump in. We're going to start with UGC persona videos because they can be used on the front end, back end, and virtually any touch point you want throughout your video funnels. They're extremely flexible with a wide range of uses and the perfect supporting cast for a superstar of Synthesys actors, the long-form avatar VSLs, which we'll be going to cover next. So again, that's the main thing that we're going to get to. But as you can see, there are 3 ways to create these UGC persona videos first, using one of our several available templates, starting from scratch, using UGC or VO or Sora, where you have more control over your video production, or with talking actors. Now, that means more of the talking head type of video. Now, within the template-based option, you can upload a product image for product placement in your video. You can adjust the video length, the size, and the gender of the character. If I click Start from Scratch, I can then go into UGC, VO, Sora Creation, where I can select a specific actor where they are literally over 1,000 actors. There's also a very handy filter over here, so you can narrow down the actors you want to select from. This is where you gain the ability to choose the same actor across different video types throughout your video funnel. Now, you can also create your own actor through prompt or by uploading an image of a person here, like yourself. The UGC VO Sora option is more AI-driven. It will create the narrative, the voice, the full video production based on your directions, everything. As you can see, you can select the specific models that you want to produce your video, as well as change the video size. Next is talking actors. This option gives you the more selectability, really. You're starting with your specific actor. So the difference here is that you can select the actor's voice, you could upload an audio file, you could choose between a still or motion production, even choose your lip sync quality. Now let's create a quick UGC video using talking actors. I'll go in and select the actor that I want to use. Let's choose this one. I'll keep this still motion video and then paste my prompt. Your prompt can be very simple. In fact, the more simple it is, the better results you'll get. Once the prompt is in place, choose your voice. As you can see, there are several to choose from. Choose a voice that closely matches your actor. The AI also does a great job of matching the voice with the actor. Next, you must generate your audio and make sure it's what you want before generating your final video.
Have you still not gotten to that cabinet that's about to fall off the wall? Still struggling to hang cabinets yourself, or afraid you're just not doing it correctly? Stop guessing and follow me already.
That sounds great, so I'll click Generate. Lastly, before the generation starts, you have the ability here to include captions in your video, different languages, styles, and placements. Let's go with this one for this example. Then click Generate. Your video rendering progress, as well as all your rendered videos, will show in this collapsible sidebar. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes of total rendering time. Let's check out our video.
Have you still not gotten to that cabinet that's about to fall off the wall? Still struggling to hang cabinets yourself, or afraid you're just not doing it correctly? Stop guessing and follow me already.
That's fantastic. Now on to the really fun stuff, and most importantly, hybrid AI VSLs, where the long-form magic happens. This is where everything changes, because hybrid AI VSLs are what unlock the full funnel potential, because short clips, they get attention like we just showed you, but long-form video builds belief. And these aren't just for selling. You could even use these long-form AI VSLs to educate, present webinars, explain complex offers, onboard customers, build authority, or close high-ticket sales. You ready? Inside Synthesys Actors, there are currently 4 templates. Single avatar, clean direct persuasion, perfect for sales pages and offer breakdown, or mixed media. Now, this is new. It combines the avatar with visuals and supporting media, great for demonstrations and case studies and product walkthroughs. Then there's whiteboard style, ideal for explaining complex ideas clearly, step by step. And stock media avatar, that's a high-energy, cinematic visual paired with persuasive delivery, perfect for launches and brand-level presentations. You get all those choices. When you combine this with Reels, UGC, and retargeting, you don't just create videos, you're creating a complete, consistent character funnel from first click to the final conversion. So let's go ahead and create a long-form video using the same character from the UGC persona video we just created moments ago. We'll use the single avatar VSL template. This is very straightforward. I'll select my actor and voice just like before. Same actor. I also have the option of selecting some of these really cool AI effects here that can act as major attention grabbers. I'll explain more about these when we get to the AI effects part of the app. Next, I just need to enter my prompt. I could make it as simple as talking about hanging a cabinet correctly. I can also enter a URL or upload a file, and the AI will extract the information from my video. It's important to know with these long-form VSLs, the AI will apply specific framework that work directly with the content to produce persuasive, engaging, high-converting videos. That's built in. We have the marketing built in. I also have the option here to increase the length of my video to 70 seconds. Now, the video lengths across each template varies with up to 2 minutes. 2 minutes! Videos possible with avatar stock style VSLs. Once I have all the information needed, I select Generate, and I'll leave out the captions this time, and let's see what we get.
Hanging a cabinet isn't just about putting screws in a wall. Get it wrong, and it's a disaster waiting to happen. First, you absolutely must find the wall studs. A heavy cabinet on drywall anchors will eventually rip right out. Next, attach a temporary ledger board to the wall. This gives your cabinet a level resting place while you secure it. Lift the cabinet onto the board and drive heavy-duty cabinet screws through the mounting layout directly into those studs. Check for level 1 last time, remove the board, and you're done. A perfectly hung cabinet that will last a lifetime.
Now that's truly amazing. Consistent character, consistent voice. He's accurately showing us how to hang a cabinet correctly. We're on to real ads now. Another vital part of the video marketing funnel. Their job isn't to close the sale. Their job is to stop the scroll and create curiosity. Inside a video funnel, Reels are used to generate traffic, introduce the core problem, highlight a bold claim, or spark interest in your offer. They warm cold audiences fast. They build recognition when the same AI actor reappears later, and they move viewers from awareness to action. Now, whether that's clicking, opting in, or watching your full VSL, Reels attract, the funnel converts. Let's take a closer look, starting with the multi-angle reel. Use dynamic cuts to grab attention and stop the scroll. TikTok style is a fast, hook-driven, and it's built for the top of funnel traffic, basically. The podcast style, that builds authority and feels like a credible conversation. Interview style creates back and forth engagement, perfect for handling objections or storytelling. And TikTok product review style feels native and authentic, ideal for e-commerce and paid ads. Different styles, different use cases. So I'm going to create a multi-angle reel with the same actor as before. I have a pre-written script I want to use for this video, so I'm going to paste that in. Now, for my captions, let's pick this style. No, this one, and I'll click generate. Okay, the video is complete. Let's check out the final result for my traffic getting reel.
So like if your cabinet just falls off the wall, it wasn't bad luck. You know, it was literally the installation. Most people just anchor straight into drywall and think that's totally enough, but it's basically guaranteed to fail. Drywall alone just can't hold that kind of real weight, especially once you load it up with like dishes and heavy appliances or whatever. The real issue is that the weight isn't actually being transferred into the studs properly, and professionals use this one simple method to stop it. So if you're planning to hang cabinets or fix a loose one, watch the full breakdown before you drill another hole. It'll save you a massive mess.
Such great quality. 3 videos, same actor, same messaging, all working fully throughout a consistent funnel. First, the reel to grab the traffic. Next, the VSL, which was used in this instance to educate the traffic, and the UGC personas that work to follow up and retarget the traffic. This is obviously one fraction of what you could do with Synthesys actors. One tiny sub-niche, a single actor, and believe it or not, it doesn't stop there. Let's quickly go over the final 3 video types. We have more, all of which elevate everything we just created, starting with product ads and commercials. Now, you're probably familiar with product ads. Upload your product image and input your product description, and almost instantly have someone promoting that very product. Synthesys actors can do that for you. But have you heard about commercial ads based off of proven successful marketing frameworks? Let's create a commercial that would work well for the videos we've already created. I'm going to select the micro texture template, and let's upload the image of a drill, because that's totally fitting for our cabinet guy, right? Paste the description of the drill. Let's extend the time to 15 seconds and generate our commercial. How incredibly powerful this is. We just instantly monetized our channel with a professional-grade commercial that is directly targeted to our audience. Now, last but not least is AI effects. You saw earlier that you can add these effects to your single avatar long-form VSLs. You could also create them as standalone. They're true scroll stoppers and entirely too much fun to create. Ladies and gentlemen, this just scratches the surface of what Synthesys actors can do. It's electrifying. It is fire. Finally, long-form VSLs and Reels by themselves are a major breakthrough, but combine them with UGC persona, product ads, commercial ads, and AI effects, and you have the most powerful AI video system in your hands. Thanks for watching.